Hey, what is up, Snaz fam? We have an exciting day today. We are gonna do a proper tour, a proper introduction to the Hummer H2 that I picked up recently. And I know in the last video, we did an intro to the limo, but when you get two cars within the space of a week, you gotta do two introductions. So that's what we're gonna do today. But to make it exciting, we're gonna take it out to the track. And since we got two drivers, because we got Zach here from Idaho, he is a buddy that drove the Shelby a while ago. We're gonna let him drive the Shelby again. He's gonna take the Shelby to the track and we're gonna go rip it in both cars. And actually, James and a bunch of other people are at the track already. So let's get a cold start up, if you would.
Of course.
Now, do I trust Zach fully? I don't know about fully. I trust him enough, but that's okay. Okay, I'm confident now. Meanwhile, we're gonna take this guy. All right. I love this beast. That's right, spoiler alert. I already said I love this vehicle. You don't have to wait to the end of the video to know how I really feel. I actually stated that the minute I got behind the wheel when we left Wichita, because I bought this, of course, from Hoovie's Garage in Wichita, Kansas. And as soon as I was behind the wheel, I knew like this vehicle was sweet. It was just different. One of the reasons why you love this vehicle the minute you get behind the wheel is the view is just so different with the windshield straight down, small but still like plentiful in view. You got the bumps there, you got the hood handles up front, and you just know you're behind something different. And also you're higher, so you feel that as well. It's a unique experience right off the bat. Oh, brakes! Whoa, 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 whoa. Stopping power is pretty good. I always talked about how a car makes you feel and how it tastes and like the intangibles. And this car has all of the intangibles. All of them. It's got them all. Also having my purple Shelby follow behind me is pretty sick, honestly. It's really cool. We are gonna beat the track record. I told you I would. I wasn't just saying that. We're gonna go out, we're gonna beat the track record in the Hummer. Because this is a sleeper vehicle. People aren't gonna expect what's gonna happen. I bought this from Hoovie's Garage for $6,500 and Tyler bought it a year ago for the same price. But when he bought it, he put $4,000 in repairs, including replacing the brake line, which as we've discussed is super important, and I'm very happy that he did. And so far, my 1,000-mile road trip home, I've driven it to work a few times, everything is working admirably. Well, there's one thing. If I roll that window down, the passenger window down, it will stay down until I turn off the vehicle, turn it back on, and then it will roll up. That's the only like oddity. Everything else, smooth. Also, I'm in talks with Agility Customs and we're discussing mods, which I'll share with you in a minute. But first, Breaker 3-1, can I get a flyby? Wait for it, wait for it. Yeah, baby. Oh, that's my ride right there. That's my ride. Finally, I don't have to worry about the dirt road that we're turning off onto. Also, oh, it looks like they're all here and I forgot Mikey has his pink GT3 RS. That's sick. All right, we got the whole crew at the track. We got South Valley Photo and his Maserati. We got Cadillac CTS. We got Summit Autolife's Ferrari, the Aventador, and Lotus, and Audi R8. We got the Chevy Camaro V6 and the Ford
F-150.
represent. It's actually nice spec F-150. And James right now is running Mikey's Porsche GT3S. I'm gonna get the flyby, but if you guys want to see that video, you got to check out blinker fluids and all that. But I couldn't pass this opportunity. Oh my God. Is ridiculous. Mikey just, man. Hey, oh, two things. Two things.
I can't see.
Two things. There you go.
No, thank you.
One, good luck.
Oh, thank you.
Nice lap in the GT3 RS.
Thank you.
And two, your hood looks weird. So just. She's got a wild man behind the wheel. Okay. All right, it's time to show everyone what's up. I'm gonna take that H2 and beat the record. Zach, you just got a ride in this man's Lamborghini Aventador around the track. What are you gonna do next?
Riding a Hummer.
All right, I think James is gonna go again, then it's my turn, so we gotta stretch it out. We gotta get loose because, you know, this is a real thing. Okay.
That was one of the more wild moments of my entire life. Straight. No, I'm speechless.
So I'm gonna be honest, like, there's a lot of pressure. There's a lot of people here. There's a lot of cars here.
It's a tough time to beat, too.
We've never, like, tracked this car.
I think it'll do well.
We don't even have sport mode. All right, whatever. Oh, perfect. Are you guys good there? Man, that's a good spot. I think everyone's comfortable. Hit a cone. Yep, I just ran over the cone. It starts off strong. Hey, how's the cone? Is the cone okay?
It's good. It's just laying down.
Okay.
Just one cone down. Yeah. A couple more to go.
No.
Go when you're ready.
I gotta get her in sport mode. There's a few buttons I gotta hit. We ready? Everyone ready? Wait.
That yellow looks mark. Get set. Go.
Let's go, baby. I'm not slowing down.
There he goes. He's off. He's off the thickets.
Let's go, baby. Whoa! Whoa, easy! Easy. Oh, we got a little bit of, we got some air. Brakes, I don't know the brakes. Oh, we could have taken it so much harder. Dang it! I didn't cut it. I don't know if we're gonna be in there. We still might not get it.
He's hauling! Oh, the light. Oh, geez. Oh, geez.
How'd it go?
I think we got it.
I mean, that was a solid 56.
That was less than a minute 8.
For sure.
The lap record is a minute 8.
We might have cracked a minute 7.
I think we cracked a minute.
It's gonna be close.
That felt like 20 seconds, honestly. Like we were flying.
I honestly do not know how you did that. 104.
104?
Yeah.
104?
New track record.
Seriously? Oh, yes. 104.77 new track record.
He has a new track record, 104. Count it. Hummer H2 is faster than a Viper ACR. It's crazy. It's really crazy. It's really a story of inspiration.
Sorry, apparently everyone's been waiting for me to do a lap in the Shelby. That's why they congregated. Easy target. You can come again? You sure?
Oh, I'm sure.
Okay. Glorious out here. It is winter. It's like 45 degrees.
You're gonna have to
But, oh, jeez. Man, all these short people drive my cars. You know, James doesn't move the seat back, and neither do you.
I know.
You know what they say? You always crash on the last lap. It's a proven fact, 100% guarantee.
Is that what happens to you?
Yes.
I hope you get ready for your line of "It's a true story of inspiration."
I already said that. I already said that line, bro.
And my literal goal, literally, no joke, is to not crash.
Are you sure that's your literal goal and not just your goal? Are we talking literally or not literally?
No, we're not joking. We're literally talking.
Okay.
Yeah. Like literally, I literally don't want to die right now.
Okay, don't die. And let's get a good lap.
Like a grandma right now. Nothing against grandmas. I love my grandmas. Rest in peace.
This is probably the most dangerous clip I've ever filmed in my entire life. My heart sank because looking at the screen, everything seems so close. We're good. Nick did not crash. Really a story of inspiration and survival. Whew.
That was my most reckless lap in this ever.
115.
Oh, yes, 115.
I got 117.
In the Rari?
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. Ford versus Ferrari?
Yeah. Ford won. There we go.
Nice.
Keeping the tradition alive.
All right, we got all sorts of cars going on at the track, as you can see, all these cars. If you guys want to see what's happening, check out Strad's video, Summit Live, Blinker Fluid. Blinker Fluid will have it all. Go to their channels. We're gonna get back to the Hummer because it's a Hummer. Now, I know, you guys are like, why would we talk more about the Hummer and look at it when like all this racing's going on? Like I say, check out the other channels, see the racing. I want to talk about the Hummer right now. That's what we're about. And let's find a good spot to do it. Would be right here in the middle of the weeds. Oh, yeah, that's cow dung. Anyways, Agility Customs, we're talking about mods. Obviously, we're talking about lifts, bigger tires, new wheels, a gas cap, obviously. Thinking about a ladder in the back. We need to move the spare tire currently. Let me show you. This is where it's kept. I don't have a spare, obviously, but it goes here, and then you got a third row seat here, which is like the biggest waste, and that's why in 03 they did it, but since then, they changed and they didn't put the spare tire there anymore because that was silly. So we're gonna take all of this garbage out, this thing and the seat out of the back to make it functional for like golf clubs, not a 7th person. Like, that's just silly. And make it more usable. And we're gonna put the spare tire. Give me a second. Oh yeah. I don't want to break the hood, bear with me. We're gonna put the spare tire up here on a roof rack. I think that'll be way cooler. Check it out though, this is the place to be. This is sick. I don't know why nobody's running right now though. We got a track. Let's go, people. Okay, now that being said, this was a bad decision. Also in the back, we got these nice hooks here, and we got a trailer hitch, which I don't know that I'll ever use, but it's nice to know it's there. This had a side step, and Tyler cut them off, which is cool. I like that. Although if we go too high, there's people that might be too short that can't get in, so I'm gonna have to figure that out. You got a hood release here, which actually, it's shaped like a little car. The front hood system is super sick. Like I said in the limo video, the limo opens this way, and obviously the pull handles, this is how it's done. Yes. Check this bad boy out, 6-liter Vortec V8, clean. Like, this is clean. Now this light was leaking, and Hoovie had to fix that as well because it leaked into the car. Right here you got some scratched paint because, yep, the interior is obviously like a disaster. It's 18 years old. This was obviously glued back together. This is super worn down, but the buttons all work, and the heated seats right here, they work. Tyler replaced this seat from the old seat because it was all torn up and put in a new used seat, and they connected the seat heater. It was awesome. All of the dials here, they're clearly worn, they're clearly used. Again, it's got 197,898 miles. So you would expect that. And this is not a Tahoe, by the way. This is, I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. It's not a Tahoe, right? It's not a Tahoe. Does it feel like a Tahoe to you?
No.
No. But?
It's a Tahoe.
No, it's not a Tahoe. It's got some GMC 1500, 2500, whatever. And the middle section is all custom. They didn't build a Tahoe. It's a Hummer. I need to get a gas cap though. Also, I'm a big fan of music, and these things got Bose speakers. Yes, this thing in 03 had a Bose surround system. I mean, it's got it all. Oh, and the best part, 1, 2, 3 places for your sunglasses. We got all the off-roading features, which we didn't have to use to break the lap record, but I plan on using these sometime, hopefully soon. You know, legroom in the back is one of my things, so let's see how she does. If I'm driving, I can sit behind myself, but I'm not very happy about it. So no, this does not have the legroom of a Raptor or a Rebel, but it's a Hummer, so who cares? We're gonna drive through these weeds again, because when you have a Hummer, roads are optional. What's the point? Oh yeah. So while all of you pretty boys were taking pictures, we were just driving through weeds.
You looked like you're having more fun, to be honest.
We got a Hummer.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you're not actually allowed to come back on the asphalt at all.
No, that's actually, I just said that.
Okay.
I literally just go Jazz.
Yeah, no. For
Jazz
sure.
Nation.
Mm-hmm.
Yes.
100%.
It's a golden yellow Hummer. We got a golden yellow Sunset, and we got golden yellow weeds. It's just meant to be. All right, it's late. Give me a rev. Hey, Blink
Really?
Fluid, South Valley Photo, appreciate you guys. Woo, woo. All right, we made it home. I did not quite finish all of the bits I was gonna talk about with the Hummer. A couple things I wanna mention about why the Hummer is the greatest used vehicle you can buy for any money. Whoa, whew. Jeez, sorry about that, guys. Careful, careful. Oh, nailed it. I was. Now, I was telling everyone why the Hummer is the greatest used vehicle you can buy. And do you know why?
I don't.
It's not a truck, it's not an SUV, it's a freaking Hummer.